said a third of small businesses owners have said that their mental health has suffered as a result of the pandemic. And this was also coupled with the fact that 60% of businesses who say they are being paid late by their supply chain say it's had an impact on their well-being, and it's an isolation aspect. So it's the issues around being paid late, being isolated that's impacted on small businesses and their mental health and well-being. And with the rise in anxiety and depression and low-level forms of mental health issues as well, it's kind of a spiraling issue that we need to tackle, particularly look into dealing with as it's a crisis rate. For small businesses, they need that support at this time. So finding ways to remove the scourge of late payments that is impacting on small businesses is critical at this time. The pandemic, heightened the problem. We had problems with the high street going into the pandemic. Now we've got so many issues for small businesses around the sheer cost of doing business. And if you are a business and you've got a huge rent bill, you've got that coming in, the moratorium on commercial evictions has gone, you've got a business rates bill coming in, you're having to find the extra money to pay to keep staff because the cost of it, the inflation's going up. You have to keep up with payment because you're getting gazumped by another business who might take your member of staff. All these have a detrimental impact on your business to run your business, and it's keeping you up at night. And that's the point. We want businesses to be free from their thoughts, free to open up their businesses and free to run them, but not have to think about all the minutiae, all the heavy costs of doing business. So government looking at tackling late payments, looking at supporting people into starting businesses and supporting those who are in business or maybe are struggling with their mental health or their physical health will be so important. So any form of announcement by the Queen speaks tomorrow would be very welcome.